It's like Robert Burns in a taco. So today, I've decided it's time to celebrate a wonderful and a special day, that day being Cinco de Mayo. And so if we're gonna celebrate Cinco de Mayo, you need tacos. We're gonna do something different. We're gonna do something terrifying.
Terrifying.
We're gonna put haggis in a taco.
Now, what?
Know what you're thinking, Adam. You like haggis. I bought a canned haggis. Haggis. I have heard stories from people who have eaten canned haggis, and they're not always encouraging in a situation like this. So today, I am either going to really enjoy myself or test my mettle. So we got our taco shells out. Those are ready to go. Let's, line those bad boys up there. Shredded lettuce, a staple of the taco, just like normal lettuce, but shredded her. We'll just pretend that didn't happen. All right, after you've shredded it, bro, you got your shredded lettuce, you made a mess of that, you've got your tomato. I don't remember how to cut tomatoes. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let's not lose any fingers. We have shredded it, bro. We have sliced and diced our tomatoes. We have cheese. I asked my wife, she says, yes, we do have a cheese grater. I don't know where it is. Can't find it. So we're gonna do the old-fashioned way. We're gonna slice us some cheesers. Sliced cheese, if you please. Don't eat it on my knees. I think that's enough for our taco. Lime and garlic salsa. Why not? Why do it any other way? And then, is this the world's worst can opener? I'm feeling like actually yes. Is USA Kilts the kind of company that says, you know what? This can opener isn't cutting it. We give up. No, we're not. We're not gonna be stopped by a lousy can opener. I'll be right back. Now, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And when life gives you a crummy can opener that won't do the job, you use the tools you had at hand when the work can opener broke. And I'm not saying I've practiced this a lot, but I've done this before. Yeah! Oh yeah! Look at that. Look at that. This is totally not a terrifying process already. Once you get in a rhythm, man, you can just go. Oh yeah. That actually doesn't smell that bad. It doesn't smell that good, but it doesn't smell that bad. I was expecting a lot worse. It smells vaguely like a Campbell's soup I probably wouldn't love. Red oven mitt. Very important. I don't like being burned. I've been burned too many times. You know? This smells really good. It's not quite the same as like the nice haggis we got from Scottish Gourmet, I believe it was. But it smells good, and I'm actually looking forward to haggis tacos. Canned haggis tacos, look at how that looks. Isn't that not terrifying? Doesn't that make you feel like Soup Can Sam's been here making soup from a soup can? Only it's a haggis can? Now, will it taco? That's the question. Will it taco? Oh my goodness. Can I just, nope, not gonna eat it. I gotta wait. We've shredded it, bro. So let's put our shredded bro on there. Oh yeah, just yes. Oh, and some tomato. haggis, tomato, cheese. If we can fit it in there. Old El Paso, make your taco shells bigger, dudes. Come on, what are you doing to me? Oh yeah, lime and cilantro and you gotta have sauce on a taco. Blah, blah, blah. Hit that stuff up there. Over here, we have, in corner number 1, potatoes. In corner number 2, we got sauce I made, whiskey sauce. I actually like the way that tastes. That's good stuff. I don't know what I did right. Let's put together a proper Scottish taco. Next up, haggis taco number 2, the Scottish connection. I guess they're all kind of the Scottish connection because it's haggis. Yeah, buddy. Just get that right in there. I got no neeps, but I got my tatties. Got this whiskey sauce, which we're just gonna drop some haggis in there. That's for later. Taco number 1, Mexican haggis taco, I guess, kinda. We've got haggis, we've got tomatoes, we've got shredded lettuce, we've got sliced but not grated cheese. It's not great, eh? It's not great. And then we've got the lime cilantro sauce. Taco number 1. Taco number 2, the all Scottish classic. Haggis, tatties, whiskey sauce, as it's traditionally served in Scotland in a hard taco shell. Let's try this guy first. Don't let me down, haggis. I believe in you. I've always believed in you. Mexico, what have you been doing? We could have had this. Guys, this is, oh. It ain't the same. I'm gonna be honest, it ain't the same. Caledonian Kitchen, I will see you soon. What have tacos been doing all this time? And haggis, why weren't you hanging out with tacos? Oh my goodness, yes. There are some moments that define our lives. There are moments when things happen that you never imagined possible and life around you changes. There are moments when you eat a haggis taco. That is a life-defining moment. All right, Scotland. You and Mexico did a beautiful thing together just a minute ago. Now is your chance to show Mexico that it's even better. Show them the power of neeps. Show them the power of tatties. Show them the true haggis taco. It's like Robert Burns in a taco. It's a casserole. It's a taco casserole. That's what that is. Let it be your comfort food. Don't open up a bucket of ice cream. Open up a can of haggis. Throw some mashed potatoes in there. Put some sauce on top. And have yourself a haggis taco. I was scared of this. I can't believe I was scared of this. There's nothing scary about this. Go forth, my minions. Go forth, my people. Go forth and get some canned haggis. And take that canned haggis and put it inside of a taco shell. And put that taco shell with whatever toppings you so desire inside your face where it belongs. Let it fill you with warmth and light and joy and hope. And have an excellent Cinco de Mayo. I'm not going to be able to talk for another hour, I'm sorry.